Hi everybody, welcome to Homegrown Homestead. This is Liz, and I'm glad to be back. We already did some rounds with the ATV, and we bought a disc, which is kind of like a tiller. And then I pulled that around, and I got the tall grass down. But as you can tell, I got a lot more to do, and it was muddy this next day. It rained overnight. So I didn't get a whole lot done. You'll see here in a couple seconds the disker itself and how much mud there is. Well, I'm done teaching math, at least for now, and probably that's it. And I was given this nice pot of, I think there were 6 mini roses in it, so I'm going to transplant those into 3 different containers, and you'll see then that I have them outside, and they're just beautiful. I put a little mulch in the bottom. The pot sat deep into the containers that I put them in, the bucket and the crock pot. Not a crock pot, the crock. And then I also have a wire shape of like a chicken egg basket that I put them in. That one fit, but I put Spanish moss around it, and you'll see that too. that's the one with the Spanish moss around the basket. It's really pretty. And there's my basil. I think I got to put more dirt. And then we did the vertical planters. The bottom one had the kale, then 2 of the lettuce, and then 2 strawberries. And that's our little Henry there. Here I'm making my own like daily shower cleaner. I used to use Tilex and it works. It's fine, but it's getting very expensive. So I will put the I guess you could say recipe, little spillage, but that dries up. That's just the water. The recipe for this, and I've used it now for a week or so, and I really do like it. So I'll put that recipe below, and it's really just water. Let me think. Rubbing alcohol, Dawn, and essential oils, and I think that might be it. So you'll see, and then I'll put the recipe in the description. I guess candied pecans, candied nuts aren't famous, but they're delicious, and I usually give them away for Christmas. And I ran out of time this year, so now I'm finally getting to make, I made 2 batches here. I'm working on the second one now. I will also put that recipe in the description. If I don't, reach out to me please, and I'll let you know. It's really just an egg white, water, and you beat that up really well. And then it's sugar, cinnamon, and I didn't put salt in there. Or actually, no, I did not put salt in there this time, but you can, a pinch of salt. I've used many different kinds of nuts, so you can pick and choose whatever you want. pans with aluminum foil. That pan was still hot because, as you can see to the top of the screen, I took out a pan. I spray it with Pam. I've done it where I haven't, thinking that it will not stick. Well, forget it. You got to spray it with Pam. And then it goes in the oven, and you turn it for 45 minutes, and you flip it, stir it, whatever you want to call it, for about 15 minutes. And let them cool, and then I put them in like candy dishes or tins, and they're just, I really like them too. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope to be putting more videos together again. And yep, cleanup time. I'm the dishwasher in this house. Someday I'll get one. We haven't really started working on the kitchen at all since I last had a video, which is probably a year or whatever. We did start putting in a pantry. I'll show you that in future videos. And I want you to have a great day. Enjoy yourself. And at the end, you'll see a picture of our double trouble now. Bye, everyone.